All right. Hello, guys. I'm going to go through each workbook practice page and just model my thinking. So if you are at home and you get a little bit stuck, you can watch these and help yourself out. Penelope is watching Shopkins in the background, so that is the noise you hear. All right, so here we are with practice one, multiplying proper fractions. Um, let me see here. Sorry. Let's get my screens right. All right. And here we're looking at 1/2 of 3/4. So here is our picture of 3/4. And here in our other drawing, we have cut it in half. And we are taking half of those 3/4. So 1/2 of 3/4 is the same as doing 1/2 times 3/4. And when we multiply fractions, we know we can just multiply straight across. So 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. And then if we look at so we have to get 3/8. And if we look at our picture, we have 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Excellent. All right, down here at the bottom, 3/8 times 1/2. I'm going to multiply straight across. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 2 is 16. 3/16. All right, same idea with this one. Multiply straight across. 5 times 7 is 35. 12 times 8 is 96. Now, I know that this can't be simplified because nothing within my factors can be simplified. Okay, moving on to the next page here. Here's where it gets a little bit interesting because I have some simplification that I can do before I multiply. I know that 2 and 12 both have a factor of 2, so I'm going to divide them both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now I can multiply straight across. 1 times 7 is 7. 11 times 6 is 66. All right, I'm looking at this one. Ooh, this is a good one. Lots of factors here. I have 4 and 8 have a factor of 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Oh, no, they have a bigger factor now that I'm thinking about it. They're both divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And 3 and 9 have a similar factor of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 9 is 3. And if you think about it, 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2, right? And 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. All right, down here at the bottom, it wants me to, it's asking me to rewrite 1/3 of 5/8 as a multiplication problem. 1/3 times 5/8. Nothing here to simplify. I'm going to multiply straight across. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 8 is 24. All right, same thing with here. Rewrite it. 2/7 of 9/11 is 2/7 times 9/11. Right, we're taking part of the 9/11. Nothing to simplify. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 11 is 77. All right, down here, 2/5 of 7/10. You should already thinking, ooh, some simplification. But we're going to rewrite it first. 2/5 times 7/10. Remember that of really means multiply, right? Now I can simplify. I have the 2 and the 10. 2/10 becomes 1/5, which I will rewrite over here. 5 and 7 do not simplify. So I will keep my 5 here and my 7 here. Now I'm thinking about it as, right, combining these two, 1 times 7 and 5 times 5. So I end up with 7/25. All right. And same kind of idea over here. I'm going to rewrite 3/4 of 8/9. 3/4 times 8/9. I see some places I can simplify. I have my 3 and my 9 are both have 3 as a factor. So my 3 becomes a 1. My 9 becomes a 3. My 4 and my 8 both have 4 as a factor. My 4 becomes a 1. My 8 becomes a 2. Very similar to the problem that we did up here, right? Because they both have, what? Most of the same numbers. The 8 and the 4 are switched around. And now I can multiply. 1 over 1 is really 1. So I'm just doing 1 times 2/3, which is 2/3. Cool. All right. That's the end of this one. Come back for practice 2.